10 foods that naturally cleanse the liver. Welcome to Natural Cures. We provide daily videos on a wide range on health issues. So, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you never miss out any of our videos. There are certain foods and lifestyle habits that are unknowingly causing major liver damage. The biggest enemy of the liver is alcohol. Foods rich in oils and trans fats also damage the liver. If your liver is already enlarged, has a fatty liver, or a basic liver test such as SGPT and SGOT, you need to be alert now. Your liver needs to return to its normal size and health. The liver is a very large organ. As a result, it takes a long time for it to heal, just as it takes a long time for it to heal. However, once cirrhosis occurs, the liver becomes difficult to heal. So before it's too late, make some basic changes in your lifestyle and eating habits to keep your liver healthy. There are a number of foods that are wonderfully beneficial for keeping our liver healthy. Start eating them regularly from today. Let's find out about 10 foods. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric, known as the golden spice, is most beneficial to the liver. This is because the spice helps in the release of food toxins from the enzymes that help them. This is why turmeric has always been used in the cuisine of the Indian subcontinent. Drink 1 teaspoon of turmeric mixed in a glass of lukewarm water every day. 2. Lemon. Lemon, which is rich in vitamin C, converts the body into a substance that synthesizes toxins, which can be easily absorbed by water. And this is why it is recommended to drink lemon water in the morning. Because lemon water stimulates the liver to function effectively. 3. Apple. Eating an apple in the morning protects the liver from toxins or food poisoning throughout the day. It contains a substance called pectin, which is essential for cleansing the digestive tract of toxins. Apple also protects the liver from other toxins. 4. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, squash, mustard greens should be eaten regularly. This is because green leafy vegetables create bowel movements and increase the rate of bowel movements, which cleans the waste from the liver and blood. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil can absorb toxins from the body just like the liver. As a result, it acts as a supporting arm of the liver. 6. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains high levels of vitamin C and antioxidants. Drinking a glass of grapefruit juice every day increases the production of enzymes that help detoxify the liver. As a result, carcinogenic and other toxins are easily eliminated from the body. 7. Garlic. It contains high levels of allicin and selenium. This ingredient strengthens the liver cleansing process. However, garlic should be eaten in limited quantities with every meal. Playing too much can be counterproductive. 8. Beetroot. Rich in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene, this food strengthens the liver and detoxifies the blood. 9. Avocado. Eating this food regularly increases the production of glutathione in the body, which is an essential ingredient to rid the liver of harmful toxins or food toxins. 10. Walnuts. It contains glutathione, omega-3 fatty acids and the amino acid arginine, which helps in cleansing the liver. Ammonia is also helpful in detoxifying. When eating walnuts, chew them well before swallowing. We hope this information is useful for you. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you would like to see any particular videos, please comment below. So, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to get the latest videos.